Codier, principal here at Andover High School, and I am excited to share with you our 2021 Honors Assembly. Today we will recognize students who are graduating with honors, high honors, and highest honors, as well as those academic letter winners, and we will also be recognizing some of our athletic accomplishments that have happened over the past 4 years. Congratulations, seniors. We are so proud of you, and we can't wait to honor you at graduation in the coming weeks.
Hi everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gabrielle Graham and I'm the current Vice President of Student Council. I want to start off by congratulating you all for graduating with any honors in your academic lettering. I know the time and effort required to achieve this, and these awards are greatly deserved. We have spent our whole lives learning the importance of our academic achievements, and they are starting to pay off. High school is the time where we learn new things and begin to figure out who we are going to be. Andover is where we grew up and planned for our futures. Achieving these goals is not a solo task, but rather one that requires the support and encouragement of others. We have surrounded ourselves with great teachers, family, friends, and classmates, which all played a great part in our success. The qualities we have obtained will always help us in our entire lives in all aspects. The hard work and dedication we have put in to achieve this academic excellence will always be key contributors to our success. As Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon to which we can use to change the world. I hope you all the best in the next chapter of your life, and congratulations on your high school academic achievements.
My piece of the award ceremony and the honors ceremony is to talk about some of the people involved in activities and some of their wonderful accomplishments that they have achieved. For starters, we're going to begin with the 3-Sport Award. And this award goes to athletes that have been in 3 sports per year with the high school programs for at least 3 of the 4 years that they were with us. And this year's recipients: Claire Beckman, Madison Clough, Annie Fine, Calvin Fiala, Alyssa Girth, Miles Hansen, Peyton Hemp, Max Hunter, Logan Meinert, Andrew Schumacher, and Colin Weichel. Congratulations. That's a lot of hours dedicated to the athletics of our school. Next up is the AAA award winners. AAA is an award that comes from the Minnesota State High School League, and the 3 A's involved are for excellence in academics, arts, and athletics. It goes to a senior boy and a senior girl. This year's recipients: Elsie Grebner and Brock Williams. Congratulations. Next up is our Athena Award. Athena goes to the Outstanding Female Senior Athlete. And our winner this year, Peyton Hemp. And I should add that this year, in addition to that award, Peyton was also voted in the state of Minnesota as Miss Minnesota Hockey. #1 award for all individuals in the state of Minnesota in hockey. Congratulations, a huge honor. Last but not least, we have our honor athletes. This goes to a senior male and female student who exhibits outstanding athletic and academic accomplishments and has demonstrated exceptional citizenship and leadership characteristics. Our previous awards went to people that already knew that they had achieved these. We had already done some recognition with them in the past, but this is a reveal here. Congratulations to this year's 2 winners, Peyton Hemp and Aiden Winter. Congratulations to all our seniors. Your accomplishments are absolutely amazing. And to think that you've done all of this going through these COVID times. Couldn't be more proud of you. Congratulations.